Good morning from Memphis. It is the early morning hours of August 25th, 2021. And I couldn't help myself. I just had to make another quick space video. Tonight we've got the moon, Jupiter, and Saturn. I'll zoom in. There's Saturn. In pretty much a straight line. The moon is slightly offset, about 5 degrees. But the planets orbit in what is known as the ecliptic. That's the plane that all the planets orbit, and very close to that. It's like a flat phonograph record. And the moon is within 5 degrees of that. But I was taking out the trash, and as I often do when it's clear, I look up at the sky and I try to leave behind the drama down here on Earth, as I've done since childhood. I look out at the stars and the planets, and I'm able to leave that stuff behind. It doesn't seem quite so, I won't say overwhelming, because I don't get overwhelmed. It's just annoying to me, some of the crap I just assume do without. So again, not overwhelmed, just annoyed. So I come out and I look at the planets, and they're like old friends to me. May not make sense to anyone who's not a space enthusiast, but I really don't care. There's also a couple airplanes up there. Not sure if you can see those. Let me zoom in. There it is. It's one. It's the other one just below the moon. And be that as it may, a couple quick facts about the planets. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. Approximately 980 million miles from the Sun. So about 10 times farther from the Sun than the Earth is. Roughly 1 billion miles from the Sun. Jupiter's the 5th planet. 480 million miles from the Sun. About 5 times as far as we are. Again, the Earth is 93 million miles from the Sun, on average. So these planets are quite a bit farther out, but they're also quite a bit larger than we are. Of course, the moon, quite a bit closer, 240,000 miles away on average. That's about 30 Earth diameters. So the Earth is 8,000 miles in diameter, actually 7,926, depending on the measurement. And the moon is 240,000 miles away, so that's 30 times the Earth's diameter. That's pretty cool. The interesting thing about Saturn, among many, but one that comes to mind right now, back in 1781, Uranus was discovered quite by accident, the first planet to be discovered by telescope. But up until that time, the solar system was thought to end at Saturn, a mere 1 billion miles from the Sun. But with the discovery of Uranus, instantly doubled the size of the known solar system, as Uranus lies at the enormous distance of nearly 2 billion miles. A stunning discovery at the time. Again, this is the early morning hours of August 25th, 2021, and the mosquitoes have found me. Thank you for watching.